welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be very different. I'm gonna try to get a silk press heatless. A heatless silk press, bitch. That's like, what? Okay, so I got the idea when I did the wave formers, right? And my hair got so straight, so I was like, why can't we do this and then wrap our hair and then come out with a silk press? Okay, bear with me. I know y'all probably like, sis, this ain't gonna work. But if you see the thumbnail, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But let's get right into this video. So, if you guys know, when I used the wave formers, the first time I used the gel because I wanted to actually have the wave. But now since I don't want to have the wave, we're going to be using some foam because we're actually going to comb it out. You guys know how it is to get a silk press. So you don't want to use any type of holding product. You want something very soft. You don't want to put some heavy oils on your hair. You want to do it like you're actually about to straighten your hair. So what I've already done is just wash and deep condition my hair, and I rinsed that deep conditioner out really well, and there's no leave-in in my hair because, like I said, when you are doing straight hairstyles and when you want kind of like a fluffy or like a roller up or something like that, or like a silk press, you do not want a lot of oils on your hair because you don't want to weigh it down. So I am going to be using the Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion, and this was $12 from my beauty supply store, but I've had it for quite some time. Of course, we're going to be using the wave formers, you guys. Okay, so we're just gonna hop right into it. If you guys haven't seen my wave formers, my first wave formers video, I'm gonna post it right here so that you guys can check it out if you want to see how they actually look in just like the wavy style with the gel. But in this video, like I said, we are gonna be trying to do a silk press. So let's get right into it. Hair is clean and conditioned, but there's nothing on my hair like at all. No leave-in, no nothing. So this is what we're working with. I've already sectioned my hair. You guys know I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. So I'm just going to be adding the foam and the wave formers. And yeah, so sit back, relax, and enjoy watching me do this. So I've sat under the dryer for like an hour, and I took one out back here, and it's very fluffy. You see that? It's fluffy. And this is why I didn't use the foam when I did it, because honey, this won't last. This ain't gonna last. But for the purposes of this video, we're hoping it's gonna come out right. I don't know, friends. So let me just go ahead and take the rest. Look at that, I already broke it up. But let me just go ahead and take the rest of these out. And hopefully it's dry. If not, I'm gonna go sit back on that dryer till it's dry, sis. Like, it's just so fast to do this. I could take literally all of them out at once. And it's not tugging on my hair or anything like that. Because if I pull on it up here, it definitely pulls my hair. So me just doing it from down here is the safest way for me. But you gotta know your own hair, boo. You gotta know your own hair. All right, so for those of you that want to see how it looks with the foam, this is how it looks. But y'all, it's so soft. Like, this is not gonna do anything right now. So the next step in this process, y'all, I'm getting kind of scared because I'm about to mess this up, but I hope it comes out right. Fingers crossed. So I do have some shine spray right here, and this is the DevaCurl High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil. This is some shine spray that I think I want to spray on my hair just to add some shine because we are going to be doing the silk press wrap. I'm just going to spray some spray. I haven't used this before, by the way. It smells so good. Hello. DevaCurl. My face is a little oily now, though. So now, you know, you got to wrap this hair. I really don't want to do it yet. I'm like, ooh, it feels so soft. But I know this ain't going to last if I just leave it like this. I am going to just wrap my hair. If you guys don't know how to wrap hair, I don't know what to tell you, but you're really just wrapping it around and around and around and around and around. And then I'm going to go in with my cling wrap. It's just plastic wrap, regular old from the kitchen, baby. And we're going to put that on. But the first thing you got to do, like I said, is to wrap it. So I'm going to go ahead and just wrap my hair around and around and around. Struggling with this here wrap just to get it wrapped around, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and put this saran wrap on. I'm gonna go ahead and put this around, right? Okay. But you gotta take that clip out. This is so hard to do by yourself. Oh my God. I'm over it already. But we gonna keep trying, friend. I ain't gonna give up on you. Okay. So, make it tight. Ooh, shoot. Y'all see that? Looking like a big condom. Ooh, child. I gotta get it flat. It ain't flat. Do it till you get it flat, friend. It ain't coming out now. Hello. We got that thing at least wrapped up in here, girl. Now you gotta sit in the dryer for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and see how it looks. I have no hope right now because it did get a little frizzy as I was going around and around. So, I don't know, friend. All right, you guys. So, I have no faith that this is going to come out right. So, whatever it look like when this come down, don't y'all laugh at me. Listen, can y'all just give this video a thumbs up for me trying to come up with an idea of how to get our hair straight without getting flat iron? Girl, take the damn thing down. You know, some folks just do it like they right here. So, there we go. See that top part? This right here look like it got a little smooth. Girl. Girl. Wave still here, girl. They ain't went nowhere. I mean, it's poofy. Okay. So we didn't get it bone straight. Bone. Tell me what you gonna do when ain't no wet right. We didn't get it bone straight, friend, but we got a blowout. Blowout straight. But as far as the silk press, ain't nothing silky about it, friend. We ain't got that yet. But it do feel good, though. I can't lie to you. I think I want to do 2 braids, though. We got to work on it some more. Maybe I got to let it cool down before I go, like, trying to take the brush. Because I literally went straight from, like, the heat to doing that. So, I don't know. I'm going to keep trying, y'all. Trying to see if this will work for, like, a super, super straight look. But it got poofy, just like any other style with the mousse. This is it, you guys. I hope you guys like my attempt to try to do it. Did you like that? Like, yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on what I could have done differently that you think you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.